Hello everyone. Today we will be exploring one of Prescott, Arizona's hidden gems, the Watson Flume Trail. It is located about 6 miles from downtown Prescott, Arizona, at the Flume and Watson Dam trailhead. The Watson Flume Trail is a scenic hiking route that follows an old flume used for water transport in the late 1800s. There are small white painted dots on the trail that make it easy to follow and not get lost. Whether you are a seasoned hiker or just looking for a peaceful day outdoors, this trail has something for everyone. I found the Flume Trail to be a very scenic, moderate, out and back hike with lots of boulders, diverse terrain, and some scrambles. Located just north of Watson Lake, it is a little bit less crowded than some of the other Watson Lake trails. As soon as you start hiking, you will notice the beautiful mix of ponderosa pines, oak trees, and stunning rock formations. Once on the trail, it divides about a quarter mile. If you stay to the left, it follows the creek. If you go to the right, it heads uphill. Both routes will eventually take you to the dam. The trail offers beautiful views of the surrounding landscapes, including forests, lakes, and rugged terrain of the Prescott National Forest. This area is home to some diverse wildlife, such as mule deer, bobcat, bald eagles, coyotes, and much more. One of the coolest features of this trail is the flume itself. Built in the 1870s, it was used to transport water for mining operations. It's incredible to think about the engineering that went into this structure back then. The flume was vital for the local mining industry, allowing water to flow over long distances. As the mining industry declined, the flume was eventually abandoned, but the route it follows became a popular hiking trail, allowing visitors to explore the region's natural beauty and historic significance. Remnants of the flume can still be seen along the trail, giving us a glimpse into Prescott's rich history. This area is very diverse. The route passes through several habitats. At the end of the hike, you land up at the base of Watson Dam. On the other side of the dam is Watson Lake. Watson Lake is a popular destination for hiking, fishing, and kayaking. So if you're into water sports, consider spending some time on the lake after your hike. Until next time, get outside, explore, and enjoy all of what nature has to offer. I will leave a link in the video description below for a previous video I did on Watson Lake. Thanks for joining me on this adventure along the Watson Flume Trail. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next video.